Can't you see that?
Yeah.
What you doing?
I like that for baby teacher.
Oh, she like it?
Today I'm here because I want my loving, caring son back.
Thank you.
I remember the night at a winter drums competition where your school won
No
the
more
championships and medals.
Maybe you could give her a Soothie now that you're done giving her her bottles.
Your face was
Careful.
priceless.
Do you want to give her her Soothie?
Congratulated things.
Now that you're done with the bottle, do you want to give her her Soothie?
The drugs really seemed to get a hold of you. It was hard to see your life so out of control.
I guess I shouldn't
Please
have
accept
you.
which is a chance of a lifetime to get the help.
What, does she like her Soothies? She's silly. This baby Addie's silly. Say silly, Adeline.
No.
Careful. Very gentle. Avery, always gentle. Always gentle. It's okay. She's got it. It's okay. All right.
Wait.
Don't hit her.
It's an oil.
Say we be nice.
Keep going after I want you.
You singing Twinkle Little Star to help her go to sleep?
Stuck.
Oh no. I guess we'll turn this off. Hold on.